You thought the planets in our solar system were deadly? Out here, beyond the reach of our sun, exist worlds far worse than anything you can imagine. Planets where the sky burns, oceans are made of lava, and gravity alone can crush you into dust. This is part 2 of our journey. If you step onto any of these exoplanets without a spacesuit, what will happen? Let's find out. Our first stop is Kelt 9b, a gas giant that orbits so close to its star it makes Mercury look like a snowball. Imagine a world where the sun fills the entire sky, a relentless inferno that blasts you with scorching heat. The moment you arrive, the very air you breathe, a toxic cocktail of heavy metals, ignites, consuming you in a searing blaze. But it's the heat that truly kills. At over 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than some stars, your protective suit would vaporize in an instant. Your flesh wouldn't stand a chance, instantly scorched away. Your bones, the very framework of your being, wouldn't even have time to burn. They would simply vaporize, transforming into gas before dissolving into the turbulent atmosphere. Kelt 9b is a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of the cosmos, a place where life, as we know it, is simply impossible. From the furnace of Kelt 9b, we journey to HD 189733b, a world that might, at first glance, remind you of Earth. A beautiful azure blue dominates its atmosphere, hinting at a world teeming with life. But don't be fooled by its serene facade. This is a planet of exquisite, terrifying beauty, where death takes an extraordinary form. HD 189733b is a world of storms, but these are not your average storms. The wind here, traveling at speeds exceeding 5,000 miles per hour, carries with it a deadly payload molten glass. Imagine a torrential downpour, not of water, but of shards of glass, razor-sharp and searing hot, driven sideways with unimaginable force. Survival on this planet is impossible. Your suit, no matter how advanced, would be shredded in an instant, leaving you exposed to the relentless onslaught. The glass shards would slice through you, a million tiny cuts, each one agonizing, but it's the heat that delivers the final blow, melting your flesh, fusing it with the glass until there's nothing left but a grotesque molten sculpture. HD 189733b is a chilling reminder that beauty in the universe can be deadly, a place where even the wind can kill. Our journey takes us now to Gliese 1132b, a rocky world that may have once harbored hopes of life. But those hopes, if they ever existed, have long since been extinguished. This planet orbits its red dwarf star far too closely, tidally locked, forever facing its sun. Any atmosphere that might have once cloaked this world has long since been stripped away by the relentless radiation of its star. Imagine standing on the surface of Gliese 1132b. The sky above, devoid of the protective layers we take for granted, is a terrifying spectacle. The star, a menacing red orb, dominates the sky, bathing the planet in deadly radiation. There's no escaping it, no seeking shelter from its wrath. The moment you arrive, the full force of the star's radiation bombards your body. You wouldn't burn, not in the traditional sense. Instead, you would feel a deep, penetrating heat, as if every cell in your body was being cooked from the inside out. Your organs would shut down one by one as the radiation wreaks havoc on your cellular level. Gliese 1132b is a desolate wasteland, a testament to the destructive power of stellar radiation, a place where even the faintest hope of life is extinguished. We venture now to WASP-12b, a gas giant on the brink of annihilation. This planet is locked in a deadly dance with its star, a dance that will ultimately lead to its demise. WASP-12b is being consumed by its star, its atmosphere slowly being ripped away by the immense gravitational forces. Imagine a world so close to its star that it's being stretched and distorted, its very essence being pulled apart. The heat here is unimaginable, hot enough to melt even the most resilient materials. But it's the gravity that will be your undoing. The tidal forces on WASP-12b are unlike anything you can imagine. You wouldn't just be pulled apart, you would be stretched, your body elongated to an impossible degree. It would be a slow and agonizing death, your bones snapping, your organs rupturing, your very being stretched thin until you are nothing more than a stream of atoms spiraling towards the heart of the star. WASP-12b is a terrifying glimpse into the future of planets that stray too close to their stars, a reminder that even in the vastness of space, there is no escape from the relentless grip of gravity. Our penultimate destination takes us to 55 Cancri E, a planet that glitters with a seductive, deadly allure. This world is a place of extremes, where unimaginable heat and pressure have created a landscape unlike anything found in our solar system. Imagine a planet twice the size of Earth but with a mass 8 times greater. The gravity here is crushing, and the surface is divided into 2 distinct hemispheres, one a fiery inferno of molten lava, the other a glittering expanse of pure crystallized carbon. This is 55 Cancri E, the diamond planet. Landing on the lava side would be instant death, your body incinerated in a heartbeat. But the diamond side, while visually stunning, offers no sanctuary. The pressure here is so immense that the carbon atoms have bonded together to form a solid, unyielding mass. You wouldn't simply stand on the surface, you would be crushed instantly, your body compressed into the diamond lattice. 55 Cancri E is a sparkling reminder that beauty and danger often go hand in hand in the universe, a place where even the ground itself can kill. Our final destination takes us to the edge of the observable universe, to a place of perpetual darkness. This is Tres 2b, a gas giant shrouded in an eternal night, a world so dark it absorbs almost all light that falls upon it. Imagine a planet blacker than coal, a world where the stars themselves are invisible. The atmosphere of Tres 2b is a toxic cocktail of chemicals, and the temperature soars to over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's the darkness that is most unsettling, a suffocating blanket that envelops everything. On Tres 2b, you would be blind, lost in a world devoid of light. The heat would be unbearable, suffocating you, cooking you from the inside out, and the air, thick with poisonous gases, would be unbreathable, searing your lungs with every breath. Tres 2b is a chilling reminder that the universe holds secrets that are best left undisturbed, a place where darkness reigns supreme, and death is the only constant. Beyond our solar system, death waits at every turn. But after all these horrors, there's still only one planet where you truly belong. Which exoplanet terrifies you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you dare to explore more of the universe's deadliest worlds, make sure to subscribe.